In this, Jason, we're looking in Algebra 2. We're trying to simplify or solve a rational equation where the denominators are numeric. We have a situation, we'll talk about that maybe later, where the denominators are expressions or binomials, something, variable expressions. But these are the kind of the more simple ones. So what I like to show students to do here is to get rid of fractions. Fractions aren't always the things we like to work with. So if we have an opportunity to get rid of them, let's get rid of them. So in this situation, I need to find a common denominator. So what's the common denominator between 6 and 8? Well, there's lots of ways to find it. One simple thing you can do is you can list multiples. So that's be 12, 18, 24, and I'm stopping there because I know where it is. So this would be 16, 24, so I know what the LCD is. So once I know that, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the entire equation by that number. So I'm going to multiply everything by 24. And so here's the process. I'm going to take 6, the denominator from this one, I'm going to divide it into 24. So 6 goes into 24 4 times, and then I'll multiply the numerator by that number. So 4 times x plus 5. Now, the whole number, that doesn't have a denominator, so I'm just going to multiply that by that. So that would be 24 times 3. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. 8 goes into 24 3 times, and then I'm going to go 3 times my numerator. And that cancels out the fractions. You won't have fractions at this point, so don't put 24 as a denominator, nothing like that. Just leave it. This is what we do to get rid of the fractions. And so now this becomes a multi-step equation with variables on both sides. We know how to do this from Algebra 1. So we do this, we distribute. So that'd be 4x plus 20 minus 24 times 3 is 72. 3 times 6x is 18x. And then 3 times 5 is 15. So multi-step equation, variables on both sides. We just simply work down. We're going to combine like terms if we have them. So 4x minus 52 equals 18x minus 15. I always tell students to move the variables next, put them on the same side. We want to move the smallest one. So 4 is smaller than 18. So I'm going to subtract 4x from each side. That cancels that, leaving me with negative 52 equals 14x minus 15. And now it's just a 2-step equation all the way back to pre-algebra. So plus 15. And so that gives me negative 37 equals 14x. And then one last step to solve this, we're going to divide both sides by 14. And since this is a prime, 37 is a prime number, this will be my final answer, negative 37 over 14. So I hope this process helps you solve a similar problem you're going to have in one of your lessons. If not, please let me know and I'll try to find you some additional resources to help you out.